How to change dates on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change dates on Android phone. First, in open settings, and now just scroll down until you find system and updates. Click on it, and here you will find date and time, and then just turn off this one. And as you see here, you will find date settings, and here you can manage it. You can change it, it's easy. And then just click OK and go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change dates on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.